Now I'll show you how to running our this 200 liters powder mixer. The first step was power on, and then also the air on. We need the air. You say air. We need the 6 bar. You say 6 bar is the best. Okay. And then when you touch screen, you will see we have English and Chinese. With enters English. This is the manual page. Initial screen and discharge page. Parameters page also. You will see manual page. You will see we have this main model, main mixer. It is a button. Set cutter, set steering. And discharge on, discharge off is here. Discharge on and discharge off. And the lid open and lid close. And heating is for here, for oil. Okay. Now I'll show you. This is a manual page. And the parameters page you will see we have this main mixer speed, and set steering speed, and oil spray, and oil spray time, and running time. Total running how long, and total oil spray time, and oil spray interval time. You see, we can see it. For example, 3 minutes, and then every 1 minute spray, and then something like this. Okay. It's discharge. Discharge also you will see this discharge speed, discharge time, and this one you will see when we discharge, and we can use this main mixer and side steering and discharge on, discharge off. Okay, this is about this page. When we use this automatic running, we will here we need this switch to this automatic. Okay, switch to automatic and then use this one function. But when with this running automatic, we should just close this lid. You will see here red light is closed. Okay, now I'll show you open manual and then lid open. Here is spray, oil spray, and then you will see we have this is a main model. This button, and also this is a fast changeover. When you clean, you just lose the screw and then change over. This side 3-side cutter. You will see 3-side cutter. You will see this one is no welding. This is complete one. Complete this tank. You will see no welding. So your inside is polished very well. And this is lid also. Lid we have this sealing. You will see two system ring for sealing. Make sure when the machine running, no this powders come out. We use this air cylinder for this close this door, and also close this lid, and also we use this one to prevent. If there's a cylinder break, we can also use this one as spare use. Okay. Now we close. Okay, press. Okay. You stay. And then we switch to this auto, and then use this one for running. Machine start running. Okay. You will see our this machine not too much noisy, very quiet. Okay, when this machine be ready, and then it will alarm, buzzer will alarm, and then it will stop. Now we stop. You see, emergency stop. Okay. You see, this is how to use our machine. Okay.